Yo, what up, YouTube, what up? So, back here with another video. So today, we're working on the car a little bit. I'm gonna do a little DIY kind of video. I'm gonna be installing my side markers I got with the help of one of my girl's uncles. He's good with wiring. I'm not too good with wiring, so he's gonna show me how to wire it up, but we're gonna be cutting the fenders out today and show you the process of, doing it so you can do it yourself instead of taking somebody to go do it. I personally never done it before, so if it comes out good, fantastic. If it doesn't come out too good, I'll still be happy because I'll have side markers, and I always wanted side markers on my car. So we're gonna be doing that today, a short video. So that's pretty much it. I was gonna give you a walk around of the build, see how it's sitting right now. So other than that, let's get to it. Peace. So these are the side markers. I got these off eBay. I believe there were only like, I'm gonna say around like just 20 to 30 bucks. And I ordered these a while ago. I just never had the chance to install them or none of that. So I got the amber ones. I was gonna go with the clear ones, but I don't. Okay, so the people that haven't seen this lately, this is a LSV bone stock head, bone stock block, stock training, everything. Just overkill parts, if you would say. So lately, I got this piping done, custom piping done by one of my good friends. I'll tag his Instagram down below if you're in the area and look for a good fabrication, hit him up. And the other thing I've done is also, I didn't do it on video, but I just wanted to do it fast. So I did the -16 lines for the water outlet and thermostat. I still got to make them shorter, but that's how it's sitting. So this is how she's sitting so far. Almost done, just waiting for more parts. I'm gonna be doing downpipe pretty soon. I will be doing another video on that, the downpipe to full exhaust. So here she is. So let's get into cutting the fenders up for the side markers.
Now this is your 2 marks, so I did 6.5. So now let's go with the
on the mark, or
make the bottom line be on the mark. Top. Yeah.
So gotta do that. Make it that would have been funny if this would have been in the middle. Clarify, we did 6 inches from here, right?
6.5.
6.5, and then so
we went straight, eyeballed it to be right
on the edge of it, all the way down.
Yeah.
And then 6.5, and then we found our center. So then now we're just gonna drill our center, and then see how it comes out. So a little update. We had made a template, and we're just gonna be tracing it on there. I'll put on this on it. So basically what we did was just measure it, and it just literally just fit right in. So we're just gonna trace the outline of it and then basically put it on there and start drilling and cutting. So let's see how it comes out.
So we're going visual now, so just make sure the hole looks straight.
So we're just marking the outline, and then we're gonna start cutting it up from here.
Okay, we have a good bit. 3 ounce bits?
Mm-hmm. Lower, huh?
You actually have to go on top of the black line where you're underneath. That's good though.
Moment of truth. Yep. Okay. Push it real good. Ahí quedó. And there she is, guys. Finally in. So there you have it, guys. It's in. I like it. It looks really good. And then we will be wiring this up sometime next week, but you guys won't be able to see it in this video. So thank you guys for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe.